Hello students, welcome to maths classes. Today's topic is permutations and combinations, and your question is how many 4-letter words can be formed using the letters of the word ineffective. So in the word ineffective there are 11 letters and they are 3 E's, then 2 I's are there, then 2 F are there, then N, C, T, V, N, C, T and V. So there are in total 11 letters are there, but we are supposed to form a 4-letter words. Since all the 11 letters are not distinct, so we have to make cases. We can choose 4 letters out of these 11 letters in different ways. So let us take our first case. In the case 1, we can choose 3 alike letters and 1 distinct letter. In the first case, we are choosing in this way that 3 letters are alike and 1 letter is distinct. So this can be in this case the number of such words will be. सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, 3 alike letters को choose करेंगे and we are available only one set of 3 alike letters. So to choose 3 alike letters we have just one option. So there is only one option to choose 3 alike letters. But we are supposed to find 4-letter words. So let us choose one more letter. But these 3 letters have already selected. Now we have to choose one distinct letter. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are remaining 6 distinct letters, and out of these 6 distinct letters we are going to choose one, and that can be done in 6C1 ways. Out of 6 distinct letters we are supposed to choose one, and this can be done in 6C1 way. Now we have selected all the 4 letters, 3 alike letters and 1 distinct letter. Now our purpose is to arrange them. Now if you are going to arrange these 4 letters, it can be done in 4 factorial ways, but in these 4 letters 3 are alike, so we are going to divide it by 3 factorial. So it will come 1 into 6C1 is 6 and 4 factorial upon 3 factorial is 4. That is 24 such words are possible. Now in the second case we can choose 4-letter words. We can make 4-letter words in which 2 alike of one kind and 2 alike of second kind. आपको जो 2 लेटर्स चूज करने हैं वो कुछ इस तरह के हैं, 2 एक जैसे और 2 एक जैसे. Now we are given we are available 3 pair of alike letters, and out of 3 pair of alike letters the number of such words will be, out of 3 pair of alike letters we are going to choose 2 pairs. तो out of 3 we are going to choose 2 pairs. तो जब आपने 3 pair of alike letters में से 2 pairs choose कर लिए, so you are there are two alike letters and two alike letters. You have selected four letters. Now we are going to arrange these four letters, and it can be done in 4 factorial ways. But in these four letters, 2 are alike and 2 are alike, so we are going to divide it by 2 factorial and 2 factorial. And this will be equals to 3C2 will be equals to 3 and 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, and this will be 2 factorial. So it will be equals to 18. So 18 such words will be there in which 2 are alike and 2 are alike. Now there can be another way in which we can choose 4 letters, and that is we can make 2 alike, we can choose 2 alike and 2 distinct letters. आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं कि 2 एक जैसे हों और 2 different letters will be there, and the number of such words will be, सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, 2 alike letters का एक सेट, एक पेयर चूज करना पड़ेगा आपको, and we are available 3 pair of alike letters, and out of these 3 pair of alike letters we are going to choose 1 pair. तो जैसे ही आपने 1 pair select किया, you have selected 2 alike letters. Now we are also going to choose 2 distinct letters. Now suppose इन तीनों में से आपका एक पेयर चूज हो चुका है. Suppose a pair of I has chosen. Now we are available E, F, N, C, T, V. So 6 distinct letters are available. And out of these 6 distinct letters, first of all we are going to choose 2 distinct letters. तो आपके पास अब 2 distinct letters भी choose हो गए हैं. And now we are going to arrange these 4 letters. We are going to make 4 letter words, and it can be done in 4 factorial ways, but we are going to divide it by 2 factorial because in these 4 letters 2 are alike. So divided by 2 factorial. So it will be equals to 3C1 is 3, 6C2 is 6 factorial upon 2 factorial, 4 factorial, and this will be 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial, and this can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, and 4 factorial will cancel out, and this will be 3. So this is equals to 540. So there are 540 such words will be there, in which 2 are alike letters and 2 are distinct letters. Now and finally we can choose these 4 letters in a different way, in the way that all the 4 letters are distinct. All 4 letters are distinct, and the number of such words will be, the number of such words will be equals to, you are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 distinct letters are available, and out of these 7 distinct letters we are going to choose 4, and then since all the 4 letters are distinct, we can arrange them in 4 factorial ways. So this will be equals to 7 factorial upon 4 factorial into 3 factorial up multiplied by 4 factorial, and that will be equals to 3 factorial upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial will cancel out, and your answer is 840. So 840 such words will be possible in which all the 4 letters are distinct. So the total number of 4 letter words, hence the total number of 4 letter words will be, we are going to add all these 4 options, 24 plus 18 plus 540 plus 840, and that will be equals to 1422 such words are possible.